Hi, I'm Travis Hessian and I'm a senior in the Florida State University IT program. Today I'll be showing you how to use Cron. Cron is a job scheduler in Linux that allows you a great deal of flexibility in when your computer performs tasks. You can schedule any command you would enter in the regular command line to be executed on a minutely, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly basis. To perform this task, you will need a computer running Linux. For this tutorial, I will be running Ubuntu 9.10. You will also need terminal access to the machine, either directly or over SSH. I will be using PuTTY, a free open-source SSH client, to talk to the machine from Windows 7. Cron organizes itself in files called cron tabs. Each user has a cron tab, and the system has a cron tab that it uses for system scheduling. For this demonstration, I will edit my user cron tab to reboot the computer every Sunday at 2 a.m. The first step is to open my cron tab with the crontab-e command. This will launch the cron tab editor, in which you can edit the file just like you would any other. The cron tab has a specific format for defining which task should be done when. At the beginning of the line, you enter at which minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week you want the command to run. If you don't have a specific entry for that time interval, say day of the month, then you put a star. For our instance, the format for running this command at 2 a.m. Sunday morning would be 00, 2, star, star, and 0. 0 being Sunday in the day of the week interval. After that, you put the command you want to run, in this case, shutdown -r now. After that, just exit the editor, save the buffer, and done. Cron will automatically verify that the cron tab is written correctly and then begin running. When it comes time for the job to be executed, the computer will reboot. You can also do other more fine-grained control over what time your commands execute. For instance, if you wanted a command to execute every other hour, you could do star in the hour column and then put a /2, which means that it will run on every hour that is divisible by 2. So it will run at midnight, then 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m., so on and so forth. Also, if you wanted to specify explicitly what time interval you want an event to occur, you separate them with commas. So if we wanted this command to run on Sunday and Wednesday, we could have the 0 for Sunday and put comma 3 for Wednesday. It is also important to note that all of these instructions only apply to regular users. If you need to run commands as root, you can do that in Cron, but you need to open the cron tab using sudo. So sudo crontab-e will bring up a root cron tab. You will be prompted for your password as with regular sudo commands. Cron is a very powerful tool, and I've shown you the basics of how cron tabs work. I've shown you how to open your cron tab and schedule a basic job. I've also shown you some more fine-grained scheduling techniques and how to automate superuser jobs using a root cron tab. There's a lot more to Cron, and you can get even more fine-grained with how you schedule. I encourage you to read the cron tab manual page by typing man cron tab at the command line. For more detailed instructions, please view the manual on my interactive resume, for which a link is available in the description. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.